दोस्तों, आज का टॉपिक है खुद को कमजोर नहीं समझना चाहिए और दूसरों का अपमान अपने घमंड के कारण नहीं करना चाहिए। इसमें बहुत फाइन ट्यूनिंग है, लेकिन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। खुद को इतना कमजोर मत समझो कि कोई भी तुम्हारा फायदा उठा के चला जाए, कि कोई भी तुमको मिसयूज करे, कि कोई भी तुमसे बुरा बर्ताव करे। इट इज लाइक हाउ यू कैरी योर सेल्फ, it is like how you present yourself, it is like how you are living yourself with what attitude, it is like how you are presenting yourself is more important। खुद को कभी भी कमजोर नहीं दिखाना चाहिए, खुद को कभी भी हेल्पलेस नहीं दिखाना चाहिए, खुद को कभी भी इतना गिरा हुआ नहीं दिखाना चाहिए कि एनीबडी कैन मिसयूज यू। एट द सेम टाइम किसी को भी अपने घमंड के कारण उसका इंसल्ट मत करो, किसी को भी अपने घमंड या पैसे के कारण उसका बदसलूकी मत करो, किसी को नीचा मत दिखाओ, किसी को इग्नोर मत करो, किसी को दुत्कारो मत, किसी को बॉडी शेमिंग या क्या बोलते हैं उसको छोटा दिखाने के चक्कर में मत रहो। बिकॉज यू डोंट नो व्हेन विल योर टाइम चेंज एंड यू डोंट नो दैट हाउ विल यू फेस दैट टाइम व्हेन इट चेंजेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ओनली। There was an incident where a person, a big minister, a big person has done something wrong with a very small person who was sitting on the roadside. And that small person who was sitting on the roadside, his time changed. And next day, the chief minister of that state called him to meet him. This is the power of time. And next day, that person who was on a big seat and who did this wrong thing with the small person, he had to go to jail by his collar pulled up in front of public, in front of media, in front of everybody. This is the power of time. So don't misuse your power, but at the same time don't express yourself that you are weak, don't express yourself that you are helpless, don't express yourself that you are of no use, don't express yourself that you are not worthy of anything. No, that is a wrong way of living life, and you have to change your mindset, you have to change your thinking, you have to change your thought process, because that matters a lot. If you always think in that direction of negativity and helplessness, that will show in your appearance, that will show in your body language, that will show in your attitude, and that will show in your appearance, presentation, whatever you say. But if at the same time, if you are confident enough that whatever is my situation, I will come out successfully because I have the power to hustle, I have the power to bounce back, I have the power to work hard, I have the power to visualize my mission and my vision, and I will do all sort of things to come out of the situation. That is the type of mindset one should live with, so that one can gain progress, one can gain happiness, and one can gain prosperity in short span of time. So never underestimate yourself, never look yourself down, never look yourself kamjor, never look yourself weak in any situation. Till the time you don't die, live your life like a king size. If you don't have that privilege of the king, if you don't have the privilege of that superior person, still you can live yourself with yourself as a big friend of yourself, and you can live a happy life, striving to make it better every day, every moment. But instead of getting killed every day, instead of getting demotivated every day, instead of getting in your comfort zone every day, it is much better to fight, to hustle, to work hard, and ensure that you are on the track of progress, you are on the track of growth. So never look upon other people because of your power, money, or your ghamand, or your good time. Never look upon the people below you as nobody, because time changes, and when time changes, when time hits, it hits very hard, and it hits without a noise. So that is the one thing which one should keep in mind. That is the one thing which one should always understand and realize, and should not play with time so much that time changes and it shows the other side of the life, which one cannot be able to accept it because of what he has done. So moral of the story is, खुद को कमजोर मत समझो, खुद को वीक मत समझो, खुद को हेल्पलेस मत समझो. डिलीट ऑल दिस थॉट प्रोसेस फ्रॉम योर माइंड सेट एंड डोंट मिसट्रीट पीपल. डोंट लुक अपॉन पीपल एज नोबडी हु आर बिलो यू. घमंड में चूर मत रहो. घमंड में दूसरों का अपमान मत करो. घमंड में दूसरों को तकलीफ मत दो. घमंड में दूसरों को पुश मत करो पीछे. घमंड में दूसरों को दबा के मत रखो. बिकॉज व्हेन टाइम चेंजेस यू डोंट नो, एंड इफ टाइम चेंजेस फॉर गुड देन इट इज ओके. इफ टाइम चेंजेस फॉर बैड देन इट इज नॉट ओके. सो प्लीज बी वेरी क्लियर ऑन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ नेचर, which is very much practical. You can see around many examples are there where time changed and the situation of the person changed and he could not do anything because in his good time or whatever time he had done not so very good task, and that is how they repent later. So take control of your thought process, take control of your actions, take control of your progress in your hand so that you can live a worthy life. Thanks a lot for listening. See you soon in my next video.